Yo, what's up everybody? Devin up 3 here in the back. I hope y'all are doing well. Alright, today we got the Bose. We got the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultras. And I've been hearing real good things about these, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, talk about it, see what's good about it, and give y'all my opinions about it. Alright, so here we are. So we unbox it. We got the case itself. Nice case. Feel nice and luxury by Bose. It's a zipper. Ooh, look at that nice shine. Look at that. That's real nice coming out the box. That's cool. So you got the USB Type-C to USB Type-C port, and then you have your aux cord. And then you got the Bose itself. Real nice. You got the right and the left. Feels nice. Nice and cushiony. Earmuffs sound cushiony. I like the shine on here. Real reflective, so you know that's some good quality right there. Turn nice and easy. Not really stiff. Alright, that slide was pretty smooth. So without further ado, let's get into the specs. You have the noise cancellation option right here, and spiral audio, Bluetooth to connect, USB Type-C port, customizable audio with its app. Battery life is 24 hours in quiet mode, IPX4 rating for sweat and water resistance. And Bose have this new technology, lossless audio, where you can expect high quality playback video and low latency. It has the 360 spiral audio, so you can hear surround sound. Alright, so I spent 24 hours with these Bose headset. The quality, I give it a 10 out of 10. Best thing I ever heard up to date as far as headphones and the quality, what I expected and what I wanted. I didn't have much expectations, but it surpassed it. And what I wanted personally, the headphones, it delivered on everything. As soon as you put the headphones on, you just taking it into your own world. Where you at is about to turn into your vibe. That's the best way I can really explain it. As soon as that after noise canceling turns on, the whole room quiets, you in the zone, and you about to start vibing. I give the after noise canceling on here a 10 out of 10. See, they got the built-in mics right here. It's all around the headset. You see, it's one up here. So what that does, it picks up the sound that's going on around you. You can hear it really good, like as if you don't have the headphones on. Like, really good job, Bose. You did a good job with that. It picks up on everything, and you listen to high quality sound. And what it sounds like it's just background noise now at this point. When it comes to the comfort level, real cushiony. All right, I'm gonna do a sound test, and if YouTube allows it, here goes the video. If not, I'm sorry. But the best way I can describe it, you listen to like an artist that sings with these, you're gonna hear everything. The ad-libs, you're gonna hear the puns, you're gonna be listening to everything on these. Like, these are it. I'm telling you. they picked up on everything. Everything I'm trying to tell you. You're gonna pick up on the beat, harmony, you're gonna pick up on everything. You're gonna be vibing, you're gonna be dancing and do your thing. Alright, so I got a gray. I feel like it's the best color. You have other colors, other options, but the gray with like the chrome metallic kind of look. It's fire, it's great, it goes to everything. Simple. All right, and lastly, for the joggers and the runners and the sweaters. All right, I went jogging this morning. Of course, I was sweating. I didn't have no issues with these. There wasn't discomfort because of the wetness. There wasn't any issues with like residue being left as far as dirtying up the headset or the mic. It was easy to wipe away with some wet wipes. So it was pretty cool. I give these headphones a 10 out of 10. Probably the best headphones of 2025. Only cons I give is the price. The price is high, but I'm gonna be honest, with these, you're gonna get what you pay for, and you're gonna get high quality worth. Hands down. Hands down. But I say it's worth it. I say get these. There's an app to tweak, enhance it. You don't need it, but it's an option to tweak and enhance this if you want to. Call quality is great too. Let's get into that. Call quality is great too. I didn't have any issues. So with these headsets, I give these a 10 out of 10. I had no issues with these. All pros, no cons, except for the price. But hey, if these go on sale, I say get these quick because they're going out. But as far as that, that's it. I don't have no complaints about these. None at all. Nothing at all. These are A1 for me. I like these. I say get them. I say cop them, get a good color. And they should last you for a couple years. All right, y'all. So with that being said, I'm out. Hope y'all do well. Hope y'all make a decision. And hope y'all doing well. I'm out. Peace. Be blessed. Let's keep praying. I'm out. Thank you.